Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be having a discussion revolving Turbo Coin. If you're enjoying these updates and you are part of the Turbo community, do smash that like button as it does go a long way. So looking at the markets right now, whether you're looking at Turbo, whether you're looking at Bitcoin, whether you're looking at Ethereum or a majority of the altcoins, I'm sure you guys know the love is definitely being felt. And, timing is everything, as you guys know, and going into quarter four, market is picking up traction. And you can really understand how big of a deal it really was to get a rate cut after 4 years. You're really starting to see, Bitcoin really, gain momentum based off of that announcement. But Turbo has done something absolutely amazing, up 22% since our last update. So let's waste no more time and take a closer look and see what is happening with Turbo right now, and of course, what is yet to come. But before I do that, though, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So the price is currently sitting at 62.58, up 21.4% in all three comparatives, whether you look at USD, Bitcoin, or Ethereum comparative. Market cap is currently sitting at 432.5 million, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about $200.5 million. Absolutely amazing stuff right now. The momentum, in terms of momentum shift, you're starting to see that happen. Of course, we didn't originally see Turbo having the explosive moves like Nero Coin. But remember, Nero Coin's market valuation at the time of listing was much lower compared to Turbo's, and we cannot ignore that fact. But let's take a closer look and see what really is happening. Looking at the overall meme coins, guys, meme coins are definitely feeling the love right now. You guys can pretty much see across the board right now, pretty much anything that you have been dollar cost averaging over the course of the last 1 week, you are pretty much up double digits, and we're basing it off of the top coins. You could see PopCat up 37.1%. You're looking at the big boys, Pepe up 11.5, Dogwif Hat, the list goes on and on. Boom is picking up traction. So pretty much the entire market is seeing a little bit of a shift. And, Turbo did overtake the Nero, position. Remember, Nero outpaced Turbo, but you can see the market valuation of Turbo is back above that range. And again, we're going to see this battle. This battle between the different meme coins is not going anywhere. We're going to see the continuation of that happening as we do go, further into this bull market. But definitely a great week for meme coin holders. But if you're looking at Bitcoin dominance index, dominance index has plummeted a little bit, and this is also a huge catalyst as to why you're actually seeing a lot of coins, despite dominance sitting above 58%. This is a huge catalyst as to why you're seeing a lot of coins right now across the board that are moving against Bitcoin. Looking at none other than BTC itself. Bitcoin is approaching that confirmation zone at $64,000. You can't make this up, and I'm sure if you've been following the channel on a regular day-to-day basis, this is something I might sound like a broken record at this point. I've been talking about the confirmation level that I give myself. Everyone reads the charts differently, but $64,000 is a sweet spot where I personally, start getting bullish for the broader market. And as you can see, that's exactly where the price of Bitcoin is retesting as we speak. Absolutely amazing stuff, without a doubt. But enough with Bitcoin. Let's focus on what has happened with Turbo. So Turbo definitely had a beautiful move over the course of the last 24 hours since our last update, and that is something I have been anticipating. If you did watch that specific update, we were facing some resistance around this range, you could see, and we did pop out of there. And pretty much since that update, you have seen Turbo go up almost 28%, but it's still within this range. And what I mean by this range is it's still below this key resistance, and I've showed you guys the importance of that in the last update. If you did miss that, I'll say it again. The resistance at the 68.46 zone, a very important key resistance. Why is it so important? Because not only does it retest July levels, which is almost 3 months ago, almost like in about a week and a half. I think in about a week and a half, that would be 3 months ago that the price of Turbo was back above this key resistance. But now, as the overall market is gaining traction, this could really see the price of Turbo start retesting this key resistance. And if it's possibly able to actually close above this key resistance, I would not be surprised at all if Turbo actually makes it, towards a new all-time high, and quite fast after that. So that's the target I have, in my, radar. Obviously, we might see a little bit of a resistance at this obviously target, because of course it is a major key resistance. Might see a little bit of a choppy level around here, but again, if this is able to pop out, I think we could actually start heading to May levels. And again, if you want to put that into perspective, it's only a move of about 58%. And believe it or not, when things really heat up, a market can move up quite fast, especially the projects that do have the hype factor around them. But so far, so good. I'm sure if you understand, technicals, you can really see the bigger picture. But, we're going to take it one step at a time. I do want to know in the comments as to what you guys personally think. If you hold Turbo, what excites you the most? Where do you see Turbo compared to its competitors? And yeah, you guys absolutely killed it with the support yesterday on the update. Continue supporting and you will see the continuation of these updates. And if you have not subscribed, guys, what are you waiting for? Hit that red subscribe and come join the Crypto ZX army. And with that said, I will see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX and peace out.